Hi there, I want you to try something for me. I'm going to put 10 seconds on the clock, and while it's counting down, I want you to just look around, let your mind and your eyes wander freely. Don't force yourself to focus on any one thing. All right, let's start the countdown, and at the end of 10 seconds, I'll put an alarm so you know when to look back. Time's up. Notice that your eyes didn't stay looking at the same thing for that whole 10 seconds. You got bored or something caught your attention and then you moved your focus to that. This is a normal part of human nature. Long ago, in a time before organic, skinny, soy, decaf, extra shot long macchiatos, humans roamed the plains where we'd be constantly watching out for threats. I doubt we would have survived if we spent hours upon hours looking at the same interesting rock in the floor. Imagine being forced to watch a video of a music concert, and I can't afford an orchestra or a band, so it's just going to be me playing guitar. The whole 1 hour concert is filmed from this same position on a tripod, and even if you love the music, you would still find yourself getting a bit fidgety because it goes against our instincts to look around and look for danger. The viewer can only see what the camera sees, so their brain starts to wonder what's to the left or the right of the camera. Might there be a threat there? Instead, watch this next version where we're using the concept of thinking in shots. We still might have that wider zoomed out shot, but also maybe a close-up of the hands strumming, or maybe the fingers on the fretboard, maybe even a close-up of the musician concentrating. Because we're changing where the camera's looking, for the viewer we're kind of satisfying their primal urge to look around, and the video doesn't feel as boring. Each new place that the camera looks can be thought of as a shot, and when you're making your next video, thinking in shots will help you instantly make a more interesting video for your viewers. I'm Jason Roberts, please subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.